Hey everybody, Evan Schmidt, Love Promise Coordinator and Product Specialist for Santa Cruz Subaru. Today's video is a very long overdue video about why your radio turns itself on when you start your car. If you're new to the channel, I make videos about Subaru stuff, impart my knowledge and wisdom, everything I've learned over the last 18 years of working for Santa Cruz Subaru. If you get use out of the videos, please hit the Santa Cruz little Subaru wave right down there. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button on the video. It really helps me out. Lets my bosses know that people appreciate the videos, and let me keep making them for you. All right, let's get into it. All right, so probably the question I've gotten the most over the last 8-9 years is, why does my radio turn on when I start my car? Two reasons. It's customers' lack of understanding how the system works, and poor design by Harman, the makers of this radio right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this car. And as you notice, the radio just played. Here's why. So when I turned off the car, the radio was playing. So when you turn the car back on, the radio is going to be playing. The car wants to return to the state that the car was left in when it was shut down. The biggest question I get is people touch this button and say, hey, I'm turning my radio off. Then I turn my car off, and let's do the whole thing here. And the radio's playing again. It's because you're not turning the radio off. This is not off. This is mute. So the radio's still on, it's still playing, just the volume's muted. So when you turn the car off, it was on when you turned the car off, so it's going to be on, but unmuted when you start the car again. So two ways around this. First way is hold the button down, hold it, and now the entire system shuts down. So now when I do the whole thing and the radio is going to be off. But they really want you listening to the radio. So literally any button I push, if I hit maps, it turns the radio back on. I learned this one from a customer. I thought it was a great idea. If I go to Sirius satellite radio, and that's this, we go all the way to channel 0. If I save this as a preset, when I'm listening to the radio, if I turn it to channel 0 when I turn off my car, since the sound on Sirius radio channel 0, I decode, so then I turn my car back on. The radio's on, but no volume is playing. So those are two tricks to combat the horrible design of your radio playing when you start your car. Thanks for watching.